Ever wondered what it means when you dream about being back in school? It's not about a pop quiz you forgot to study for. It's actually a powerful message from your subconscious mind. When you dream, every person, place, and thing is just a reflection of an aspect of your own consciousness. When you fall asleep, your attention shifts from the outside world to your inner world. Your thoughts become images, and dreams show you the images hidden deep within your subconscious. So, dreaming of a school or university means you in a learning state of mind in your waking life. Think about it. The place you are in a dream represents your current mental space. Being in a school signifies that you're processing new information, gaining wisdom, or learning important life lessons. Now, pay close attention to the details of the dream. What was happening at the school? Were you in a classroom, actively learning? Were you wandering the halls, maybe feeling a bit lost or just exploring? Was the campus bustling with other students, showing you feel connected to your learning journey? Or were the halls empty, suggesting you might feel isolated in what you're trying to figure out? The condition of the school is also a huge clue. Was it brand new, clean, and well-maintained? This indicates that you're actively and effectively learning from your life experiences. But if the school was run down, old, or falling apart, it's a sign that you might need to pay more attention to the lessons life is trying to teach you. Perhaps it's time to upgrade your approach to personal growth. Life is a lot like school, isn't it? We're constantly presented with lessons in different areas of our lives. If we learn them and pass the tests, we graduate to higher, more advanced lessons. If we don't quite get it the first time, life gives us a chance to retake the class. That same lesson will circle back around in a new experience until we finally understand what we need to learn. Every dream is about you, the dreamer. If you're ready to dive deeper and get true clarity on what your unique dreams are telling you, check out the Chitta Dream Decoder. It's a fantastic tool to help you unlock the messages from your inner world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into your mind.